Okay, so once we want to add a product, we hit the My New Products link there, and it brings us to the Add Product page. I'll just go through it step by step. Obviously, we've got the product category first of all. We want to select one of them. In this case, it's going to be a wood because I have a wood bike. And I have to put the product name in there. You'll see it's got an asterisk, so it's required fields. I have to put a description. I already copied something, so I'm just going to paste this in there. And this is like a word style editor, so you can just, format it the way you want to format it. The paragraph, maybe the heading, the font color. Gives you fairly comprehensive options as to what you want to do. Background color, I can select that, make it yellow, make it bold, etc., etc. Underline it. The price, again, is a required field. This is a very cheap one. 150. If I want to add 100 as a special price, it's going to strike through the 150 and just show the 100, showing the $50 discount. It's not required though, but if you want to use it, go ahead, and that's how it works. You can select this price from and to, so you can start it at a certain date and the offer can end on a certain date. But none of these are optional, required, so they're just optional. Stock is required. I'm going to put 2. I have 2 in stock. Stock availability, is it out of stock or in stock? It's in stock. Visibility, very important. We want to make sure it's not just on the catalog or just visible through search, but both. We're going to choose a tax. Is it taxable? Is it not? I'm going to select no. This is quite important. The weight, we have to specify a weight. So put the weight of the product in there. The meta title and the meta keywords are just keywords. Again, not required, just the SEO type things that can help search engines find your product. Put the description, a few keywords separated with a comma, and the title. And then the product image, we're going to upload this image, so we're going to click there. We're going to go to, let me see where it is. I believe it's in here. And there it is. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to upload it. There it is. And if I want to put another image there, I can just have quite a few images. So there's our image. We're going to go back to the top and save it. And it takes a little while to get all that information and put it together. And hopefully we're going to see a green message telling us that it's been saved. There you go. Your product has been successfully saved. So let me just go through this one more time quickly. Category. Choose a category. We have to have a name. We have to have a description. We have to have a status. It's enabled. Obviously, we want to enable it. If you run out, you can disable it until you have more in stock, and then just go and enable it again. We have to have a price. Special price, special offer, date from to are not required. How many in stock is required. We want to make sure that we check the in stock, unless it's out of stock, in which case you'll just take it out of stock. Catalog and search for the visibility option, because we want to be visible to both people searching and people browsing. The weight, important, is going to be yes, and put the weight in there. Meta title, meta keywords, and meta descriptions are not required, but optional. If you want to put some descriptions in there and keywords, go for it. Click this button, upload the image, go to the top, hit the save button, and hopefully this is the message you'll get. If you don't get that message, it's most likely because you've forgotten to put one of these in, and just start again, and it'll come through. As usual, Doran's very helpful, so his number's there. If you want to get in touch with him, feel free. He's very helpful, and he would love to help you with any issues you might be having. Thanks a lot.